Hello and welcome to another Miss Alley Cat DIY. So today I have this really adorable Valentine's Day washi tape table to show you. For this DIY you're going to need this wood sign from the Dollar Tree. I believe Michael's also carries something similar, but it's probably going to be more than $1. And so I'm just removing that string from my heart. And then I'm also using some washi tape, 3 different colors. You could also use sparkly ribbon if you have that. I know that Dollar Tree has carried red sparkly ribbon at least at Christmas time, so if you have that, you could also use that instead of washi tape. So now taking those 3 different colors, I'm just putting red, white, red, and then a really cute heart patterned washi tape that I got from Michael's. It was on sale last summer. So yeah, I'm just taking all of my washi tape, not really worrying about the exact size of the heart. I'm just cutting enough to fit across my heart as shown in the video, and then later on I will take the scissors to make the shape of the heart more clear. Hope that makes sense, but you can see what I'm doing in the video. If you have any little pieces that are coming up, go ahead and put some hot glue there, and I just use my finger to smooth it out, but be careful, obviously it could be a little hot. If you want, you could use your scissors, just the flat edge, just to kind of flatten it so you don't have any little bumples under there. Don't want that. And now all I'm doing is I'm taking my scissors and I'm going to very carefully cut out the shape of the heart. I'm just trimming off all of that excess washi tape. And then on some of my edges of the heart, I had little pieces that weren't quite the entire size of the washi tape, so I did put some hot glue down and then cut out the shapes of the heart, just because the washi tape wanted to fall off otherwise. So now I'm taking 4 Jenga blocks and this really pretty duct tape that I got from the Dollar Tree, of course, and I am just wrapping it around the block. I'm going to do this for all 4 of my blocks. I would suggest using some hot glue when you're wrapping it around the block. I didn't do that initially, and the tape started to come off after I was done filming. So heads up, I would go ahead and put some glue on that. Just make sure to really smooth out the edges. And then I took an X-Acto knife to trim off the excess tape, and I did this to all 4 of my blocks. And don't worry about the top or the bottom of the Jenga block that doesn't have any tape on it. That's perfectly fine because you're not going to see it. And then on the back side of my wood heart, I did put some of that duct tape just because I thought it was pretty, and that way if I wanted to flip the table upside down and use it as a display that way, I could, but this is totally optional, and I only ended up doing half of the heart. And then as you can see in the video, I cut off the excess with my X-Acto knife just because I thought that would be easier instead of cutting it with scissors. Duct tape really doesn't cut that easily with scissors, at least not for me. So I did cut it with an X-Acto knife. Now I'm just gluing down all of my wooden blocks with some hot glue. I'm just using hot glue for video purposes, but if you want it to be more heavy duty, then by all means use something like E6000. And I'm just putting 2 blocks at the top and 2 blocks at the bottom. And I'm using a fairly good size amount of hot glue, but like I said, if you want it more heavy duty, use E6000 or something similar. So here is the finished DIY little table. You really don't have to put the duct tape or washi tape on the underside. Looking back, it's pretty and I can flip it over, but it's definitely not something you have to do. So I ended up putting this little tiny like felt doily that's from the Dollar Tree. You get them in a pack, and so they have red, white, and pink, I believe. I'm not entirely sure, but of course from the Dollar Tree. And then 2 little hearts that came off of a little bouquet from the Dollar Tree as well. So here's just a couple different ways to display it. Here's the topiary that I made 2 or 3 weeks ago on my channel, and this really cute mirror with hearts all the way around it. If you want to know how to make those, go ahead and check out the link that I will provide in the upper right hand corner of your screen, and I'll also try and put it in the description box below. I hope you all enjoyed this DIY. If you did, don't forget to pounce on that like button and hit subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a perfect day. Until next time, this is Miss Alley Cat DIY signing off. Bye!